Hello my crafty and sewing friends! Welcome to Sew Aldo. Today I am going to show you how to easily finish a neckline using a bias binding tape that will give your sewing makes a professional looking finish. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, measure the neckline all the way around. Once you get the measurement, you are going to multiply it by 0.85 and the measurement is going to be the length of the neck binding that we are going to make. And according to my calculation, I will need it to be 20 inches long and it is going to be 2.5 inches wide. First, I fold it in half and then fold it in one more time and then I press it. After that, I match the ends. Right sides of the fabrics are facing and I'm going to sew it close. Next step would be dividing the neckband and the neckline of the dress into quarters so we can easily match it up later on. And then I place the neckband against the wrong side of the material and I'm going to match the pins. Take note, if you put the neckband on the right side of the fabric, it's going to give you a different finish. Today, I'm going to stick with the bias binding. So the idea is I want to be able to wrap the raw edges of the neckline using the neckband. Then I am going to stitch it along the crease that I made earlier. And I am stretching the neckband as I sew, making sure that the fabrics are equally distributed so it looks nice and even. You would like to see how I constructed this beautiful red dress, I'm going to have the link in the description box below or at the end screen so you can watch the full tutorial of this dress. After that, I am going to trim off the excess material right here on the neckline, just so when I wrap the bias binding, it's not going to stick out of the binding. And then I'm going to slide it back in the sewing machine and I am going to stitch it or top stitch it along the edge. And be sure that you are doing it nice and evenly because this is going to be the finish of the dress, and if the stitching is not straight, you will easily see it. It's the final neckline. I absolutely love the way it turned out. It looks super professional. No need to be intimidated by a bias binding neckline, and if you follow my steps, you are going to achieve a nice looking neckline like a pro. That's it you guys, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this tutorial, and if you would like to see more, be sure to subscribe for more easy and free sewing tutorials for beginners. I hope you are inspired and I will see you soon. XOXO Sew Aldo.